What is going on, buds? It's Wooly Graham here. Today we're going to be opening up some Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon cards. Today for Yu-Gi-Oh! We got some Dark Neostorm. We got 4 packs. And what I'm really wanting to get into is Shining Fates right here. I got 3 packs of Shining Fates, 4 packs of Dark Neostorm, and we're going to get into it real quick. For the background, if you're wondering, I just decided to put up a couple of my biggest pulls from Shining Fates, because that's what I'm going for right now. We'll open up the Yu-Gi-Oh! First, so let's just get right into that. Oh, come on. I hate these packs. They always rip so weird. Get rid of that. Now, let's see. We got Assault Mode 0. Too big of a name to read. Deus Ex Crawler. Sure. Ooh, nice little Crackdown. Nice little holo. I am new to the Yu-Gi-Oh! Side of things, so I don't know which cards are actually valuable until after I look them up. But any cards of value I pass by, I will be putting a price on the screen for you guys so you know how much it is. I know that this set here, it definitely is not of great value, to say the least. I think the most valuable card is like 10 or 12 bucks. So we got the Lingerous Dragon, Dino Wrestler, Colossal, whatever it's called. I don't know. Gookie the Blade Ogre. I'm sure I'm brutally messing up all these names. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Nice, nice. It's a nice little holo, as you can see. So we'll put that in the holo spot, and there's this D Tactics. We'll put that over there as well. And then we got these little guys. Awesome. Next pack. Here we go. Just turn it around. Magical Musket. Ooh, that's a very cool art. I hope you guys can see that. That's very cool. I like that. Ooh. Oh, nice, nice. I don't know how much it's worth or anything, or if it's a secret rare. I don't even know all that stuff. All I know is holos are usually worth more than regular cards. That's kind of cute, actually, that little guy. Another Dino Wrestler. Handy Gallop. Okay. Here's the last one for Neostorm. Let's hope we get some luck in here. I'm not sure if we've had luck already, but we'll find out in post. For the Pokemon, though, I will know if we get some good luck. That's why I'm saving it for the end. So, I hope you enjoy. So, here we got this guy. Emperor Maju Garzette. That's interesting. Altergeist Haunted Rock. Nice. There's a lot of circles. And this guy right up here, I'm not sure how well you can see him, right by my thumb, he looks really happy. So does that guy down there. They're really happy. I don't know why. Oh. Dude, that just looks cool. Put it over here. World Legacy Gardragon Mardark. Well then, Speed Lift, World Legacy Collapse, Dino Wrestler, Cool. So that's it for Yu-Gi-Oh! We're gonna get right into the Shining Fates right now. Just put the Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards off to the side. I do have sleeves for everything in case if any of you are wondering. I have sleeves for everything and hard cases for better, bigger pulls. But I don't know much about Yu-Gi-Oh! Right now, so we're going to leave them off to the side and sleeve them after the video is done. We're starting on the Shining Fates now. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so that we can get bigger and better and do more. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3 from the front. I always save the energy for the last because I don't like touching the last card in case if it's a really good one. Here's a code for you guys. Okay. So we got a Tropius, Rotom, a Rusted Shield, Trapinch. I really like this art. I don't know why. It's just he looks really cute. And yeah. Nickit. This is actually the second time I've pulled Nickit. Only the second time. Gossifleur, Cacnea, Cufant, which is obviously very cute. Oh, nice. Zigzagoon. That's something I haven't seen yet. I'll have to check on the price for that. I'll tell you guys that, but it's definitely a shiny, and I like that. Shinies are always nice. We'll put them off to the side. What do we get? Professor's Research. Okay. And here's the second pack here. Okay. Here's a code for you guys. Alrighty. Now, we got 3 to the front. Okay. Starting off with a Thwacky. Thwacky. Okay, Tropius, Rotom, Yanma, which we already saw, Trapinch, Shinx, Rowlet, which is really cute, Eevee, everyone loves Eevee. Ooh, a Thievul, this time a holo. I pulled one of these earlier, and it wasn't a holo, but this time it is. Nice. I'll put him over here, off to the side. And Volcanion, of course. Well, Volcanion, suck a chode. Nobody likes you. Opening the last pack, the Charizard Pack. When I weighed these, this was the heaviest pack. So let's hope for one of the shiny Charizards or maybe a secret rare card or something. I'm really hoping there's something really good in here. Okay, let's just open it up and see what's in here. I just noticed my camera was about to die, so I didn't open it without you guys. Don't worry, I didn't open it without you. I got it here fresh, brand new, and we're gonna open it together. We got Rowlet right there. There's that code. Alright, starting off with, what do we got? Dartrix. Okay, Dartrix. Not bad. Cramorant. Rusted Shield. Rowlet. I love the art. It's cute. Cufant. Always cute. Spinarak. I don't like spiders all too much, although they are interesting creatures. Snom. Looks like a dick tip. Horsey. Ooh, a Holo Cacnea. I have one of those. And a Holo, or reverse hollow Cacnea and a hollow Frostmoth. Not bad, not bad. I have both the hollow Frostmoth and reverse hollow Cacnea, but not too bad for a couple little packs. I think that'll do it for this video, but yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I'll see you buds in the next one. Peace.